Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secrets channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make $4,000 per month online as a complete beginner. I'll be giving you step-by-step action plan for the next 90 days, and also I'll be giving you some of the cool bonuses in the end of this video. Please make sure you stay till the end of this video. And before we get started with today's topic, if you're brand new to my channel, I'll be making videos about how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing and how to create sales funnel. If you are interested, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, coming back to today's topic, in order to achieve $4,000 per month, we are going to use a business model called as affiliate marketing. If you don't know what is affiliate marketing is, it's a way when you promote other companies' product, and whenever someone buys those products using your affiliate links, you get paid a commission. It's a simple definition. All right, even in affiliate marketing, it's very important that you choose a right product for right set of people, because there will be people coming online and searching to find a solution for their problem. Okay, and there will be products that are going to help them solve their problem. As an affiliate marketing, you're going to act as a bridge between these two things. That is, you are going to create content around that solution, and in the end you're going to promote this product. That's how affiliate marketing works. Okay, and we are promoting Clickfunnels as a Clickfunnels software. Here I'll tell you what is Clickfunnels is. Clickfunnels is a funnel building software founded by Russell Brunson. Okay, with this software you can create sales funnels using for any type of businesses you can create. Okay, in a simple lines, I'll tell you what is a sales funnel and how it is different from a traditional website. Let's say there are many businesses that have their website like old traditional way, like they have a home button and they have a product section and they have their about page and various other pages as well. In the product section, in the end somewhere they have buy now or book a call. I mean, there are any call to action. What happens to a traditional website is, whenever somebody visits that page, they may not take the action immediately and they may never come back to that site. There you are leaking your traffic there. But with sales funnel, what will happen is, you can create a landing page and there will be only one call to action, straightforward. And in the sales page there will be only one call to action, buy now or button. Okay, one of the example here is, this is one of the landing pages that I use. Okay, here there is only one button, that is buy, get the training now. That is like they will provide their email address. And what happens when you get their email address, you can always follow up with them. Here you won't be leaking the traffic. That's how every business needs sales funnel, and this is how it's going to help them grow their business and make more money. Okay, that's why I chose Clickfunnels. Also, Clickfunnels has one of the best affiliate programs. That is, like, they are going to pay you 40% monthly recurring commission. What I meant by that is, Clickfunnels comes up with the two different plans. One is $97 per month plan, and one more is $297 per month plan. Let's say you signed up, you referred someone for a $97 plan, and for 40% means you're gonna get $38 per month. The recurring means as long as the person is active for that product, okay, you keep on getting the commissions. So all you need to do is just refer one person per day for a Clickfunnels free trial. Also, Clickfunnels has a high ticket products, such as, it's not only the software, they also have high ticket products such as funnel builder secrets, which is sold for like $2,000 to $5,000. In turn, you're gonna get commissions from $800 to $2,000. And they also have sticky cookies. This is the best part. Like, Clickfunnels has some of the low end products as well. Front end, you can sell very low ticket products in the beginning. Okay, for let's say they bought this expert secret book, which is free of cost, and they have purchased it, and they go to any other device and they purchase the Clickfunnels software using the same email address. The sticky cookies are going to backtrack this sale, and they are going to give you commission for that Clickfunnels software as well. So as long as they use the same email address for whenever you whenever you referred them, you're gonna keep on getting the commission. That's the beauty of sticky cookies. And they also have a program called as Dream Car Winner. So if you refer 100 people to Clickfunnels, they will pay you $500 per month. If you refer 200 people, they're gonna pay you $1,000 per month for your car lease. Okay, and as I told you in my first point, it's a tool that every business owner needs to make more money. So that's why I had chosen Clickfunnels. Okay, and as I explained, for every one sale you're gonna get for $38. Okay, let's say you have 24 hours in a day. All you need to do is just refer one person to a free trial. Also, ClickFunnels comes up with a free trial of 14 days, so you're not selling to a very high ticket product, so it's very easy to sign up somebody to a free trial. So all you need to do is just sign up one person to ClickFunnels free trial, and ClickFunnels will take care from him, like they will give them training and all other things as well. Okay, all you need to do is just sign up one person per day. What happens is when you sign up one person per day for the next coming 100 days, you're gonna make $4,000, like $38 per sign up. So you're gonna make 3,800 basically, which is approximately $4,000 per month, and $48,000 per year. If your affiliate marketing skills are very good, you sign up 2 people per day, you're gonna make $8,000 per month and $96,000 per year. If you make 3 signups per day, you're gonna refer 300 people in 100 days, and you're gonna get $12,000 per month and $144,000 per year. This may sound like another YouTube video where you have seen like how to make money, blah blah, many other stuff, but I have a proven strategy that will work and that will help you get these numbers as well. Obviously, you need to take action. Nothing is gonna work unless you take. Even if you buy a $2,000 course, it's not going to work unless you take action. So I have a like, what happens whenever you refer somebody one free trial per day, you're giving yourself a raise. Even whenever we work in our jobs, we get a raise like after 1 year, maybe. Okay, maybe monthly, I mean quarterly, or maybe half yearly. But with this, what happens is you're giving yourself a raise every single day. And I have a proven strategy that how you need to work it out. Okay, I'll talk about the design part, what actually we are going to do here. What we will do is we will create an opt-in page or an email capture page, and then we will create a membership area, and we will have our affiliate sales page. In opt-in page, we will give away a free training that will help you grow from $0 to $4,000 per month, step by step. Okay, we will create a course, and we are going to give them that course for free. So this is the first page, and the members area where we will place all those lessons. And people coming to this page who are opt-ins, they will create their account and they will have access to this members area, and they will learn. In these lessons, we will pre-educate them how actually ClickFunnels is going to solve their problems, how it's going to help them to grow their business, and in the end we will sell them the actual products, ClickFunnels. Because you're giving these lessons for free, what happens in the beginning, the visitors may not know you, but what happens with this, as the course goes along, they get to know you better. Okay, and they start trusting you, and when the chemistry is just right, you sell them to an affiliate sales page, and they have trust in you because you have given something valuable for free, so they will buy from you only. And also we can give some other irresistible bonus so that they can choose that product from you only. So that's how you're going to make money. And also you have collected their email address, you're gonna keep on sending them emails about other products as well, or you can send them value emails, wherein you can keep up the relationship with your customers. So this is the basic design, like what we are actually going to do. And I'll show you the exact funnel here. So I'll come back to my ClickFunnels account, go to funnels, and so this is the funnel that I was talking in that diagram. First, we will have our opt-in page. Opt-in page will look something like this, and you have something like how to build a consistent recurring income online by selling other people's proven products without having any technical or previous marketing experience. So this course is free for them. Watch the free course. All they need to do is just enter their email address. Okay, and once they create their account, they are going to come to the membership site, which looks something like this. And this course is created by my mentor Sebastian Gomez, and in this course we will teach them how to generate $100 to $1,000 per day online, even if you are completely new, how to become a 6-figure affiliate marketing even if you have failed many times. So as you can see, this is a half an hour lesson, and this is a 53 minutes lesson. And sales funnels basics, 45 minutes lesson. So all these lessons are given for free, guys. So what happens is, whenever somebody goes through these lessons, the relationship with you and them becomes stronger, and then you will send them to this affiliate sales page, sales offer page. So that's how we will work it out. All you need to do is just drive traffic to your opt-in page. Okay, I'll talk about traffic as well. You can drive traffic in multiple ways. One of the method is free method, the other one is paid method. If you don't have enough budget for you to start a business, you can always go with the free traffic. Free traffic as in, you can start your YouTube channel, you can make videos about how to create a landing page, or you can show people how actually Clickfunnels is going to help them, and you can promote the Clickfunnels. You can drive the traffic to this opt-in page. You can join many Facebook groups around this niche, and there will be people asking like how to make money online. You can just say, okay, I have a free course that will help you grow your business. Okay, if it's a free, just drive the traffic to your opt-in page. You can set this opt-in page in your Facebook profile as well. You can go and answer many people questions in any Facebook group. They are going to come back to your profile, and they will that's how you drive traffic to your opt-in page. You can also drive traffic from, if you already have a blog post or you want to create a blog post, you can always send the traffic through blog post forums such as Quora. Like I usually, there will be people asking about how to learn affiliate marketing, so you need to just give them value. I'm driving traffic to my one of the YouTube videos. You can just come and drive the traffic to your opt-in page. These are some of the free or organic traffic methods that you can use. If you have budget in with you, you can always try out of Facebook ads. You can go to sites like Udemy, you can buy traffic from them. You can try out Google ads, YouTube ads. There are many other stuff as well. If you don't have experience with paid method, just go with the organic one. Once you start making some money, you can learn Facebook ads. You can learn and you can start implementing paid methods in order to scale your business. Okay, that's about the traffic. So hope you understood like what actually we are doing. We are actually providing people value first. Okay, and while providing value, we are pre-educating them how our product is going to help them, and in the end we are going to sell them with an irresistible offer. So I know the question might be coming in your mind is like, this method sounds cool, but how actually I'm going to create one? Because it's going to take a lot of efforts to create this mini course and set up this members area, opt-in page, and the off sales page. I need to create everything. But you don't have to worry, because if you sign up for Clickfunnels using the link in the description, I'm going to give away this entire funnel for free. All you need to do is just sign up for Clickfunnels using the link in the description, and once you get this funnel, you just need to click on the link, and this entire funnel will get imported into your Clickfunnels account. All you need to do is just go ahead and edit your affiliate links, and you may need to change your domains and everything. That will also be taught to you. Along with this, I told in the beginning of my video that I'll be giving some of the cool bonuses as well. The bonuses are like, if you sign up for Clickfunnels or one funnel away channel is nothing but a challenge that Clickfunnels has launched, where you go through a daily challenge that will teach you starting from your belief to starting your offer to offer hook and traffic, and how to create a set of sales funnel step by step. You can choose that product or funnel builder secrets. If you sign up any of the products using the links in the description, you're gonna get all these for free. Okay, affiliate accelerator program is this program actually helped me grow. This is done by my mentor Sebastian Gomez. This is where you will learn all the super affiliate stuff, like starting from what is affiliate marketing to advanced affiliate marketing as well. So this course will help you a lot. And also you're going to get done for your funnels. Not only this funnel which I just showed you here, also you're going to proven funnels that are well tested, all for free. One is e-commerce funnel, every funnel. All you need to just go in there and tweak it according to your need. So this is actually is gonna take a lot of time for people to create, but if you purchase Clickfunnels using the link in the description below, you're gonna get it all of them for free. Facebook lead generation program. So as I told you, collecting email addresses are very important. you don't know how to create a Facebook ads account or how to drive traffic to your funnel, you can learn from this course. This course has more value, I can say. I believe this course will be sold for $1,000 in coming days, because this has a lot of values. It starts from how to create a Facebook ad account to how to run a campaign, like how to how many payments you need to set up, like how many cards you need to set up, how you can test it. Every single detail is there in this course. This is also going to be given access to for free. And also Instagram marketing program, how you can generate 10,000 followers Instagram step by step. Every detail is there in this course as well. And you are going to get done for email swipes. So you may need as I told you in this diagram, you may need emails as well to follow up with the people. So it will take a lot of time, because nobody is perfect in copywriting unless you try it yourself. So this also has one of the highest values, because writing an email, writing copy is not so easy. All you need to do is just go ahead and use these email swipes and tweak it according to your need. And also, if you want to run a Facebook ad, there's a Facebook ad copy where it will have a hook, offer, story. So everything is included in that Facebook ad copy, and you can drive traffic to your. So case studies, how the actual sales funnel are successful sales funnel working. So this entire mastermind thing will be given access to for free. So much value for free. All you need to do is just sign up for Clickfunnels free trial, or one funnel away challenge, or one funnel builder secret software, using the link in the description. And once you make that purchase, all you need to do is just send an email to contact@freedomlifesecrets.com. So once after we verify your once you need to send your receipt and also email address which you used to sign up. Once we verify that, you will get your bonuses within 24 to 48 hours. So I hope with every information you can achieve this. So what happens is, many people watch such videos and they don't really take action. So what's the most important part is take action. Start creating content, start building your followers. So it's always important you create right content. First you need to learn. So go ahead and sign up for Clickfunnels today and send me an email. I'll send you all these bonuses you can learn and implement, and you can achieve the goal of earning $4,000 per month online. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. See you on the next one. Thank you.